Hello! In this video, I will show you how to download the CSV file and how to use it further. From your account, navigate to the integrations, and then under the CSV tab, you're going to be able to download the CSV file. It is important to note that as stock in BrandsGateway, catalog changes all the time. Therefore, the CSV file gets updated every 4 hours. This means that every 4 hours, you can download a new and updated version of it. If you're selling on marketplaces, you need to have an updated version of the CSV file regularly, especially if you're selling products that are with limited stock. The CSV file contains all of the information about the products, exactly the same ones as in the product catalog. This is a look of the CSV file. If you're selling on marketplaces, please note that each marketplace is different and it has different requirements in terms of what information the product needs to contain. Therefore, you might need to edit the document. In the CSV file, you can find all of the information about the products, including the SKUs, IAN, the brand name, the name of the product, the prices, description, all of the links to the images, and so on. After downloading the CSV file, you're able to add or remove columns or information according to the marketplace requirements. When selling on marketplaces, before uploading the products in bulk, we recommend adding a few products manually so you can better understand these requirements, and then editing the document according to those requirements and uploading products in bulk.